Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem and use a lifestyle gift card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Lifestyle, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, lifestyle gift cards often allows recipients to choose from a variety of retailers or services within a specific category like fashion, dining, entertainment, and a lot more. The thing is, it gives the flexibility that the recipient can select something they truly want or need. For example, you receive a lifestyle gift card right here. You can basically have the freedom to pick from numerous options like Adidas, which can cater to personal preferences, which makes it more a personalized gift compared to cash or generic gift cards. Now, how do you use lifestyle gift card? All you have to do, if you haven't already, just click on the redeem gift cards. You would have the option to choose from any of these brands. For example, I'm going to be looking at New Look, and you can simply select the gift card amount, for example, like 20. Now, you can simply go to their website because you will be using the lifestyle gift card to their specific product. Or you can simply go to the, let me check. Now, once you are inside the specific store, all right, so choose an item. For example, this shoes like extra 8%. I want you to click on it. And obviously, you need to put it in your cart or your trolley. Add to basket. Go to checkout now. Now, once you are on the checkout page, all you're gonna do is go to the credit or debit card, and that's wherein you put in the lifestyle gift card, all right? Because it would be transferred to their specific website of the retailer. Otherwise, all you gotta do from here, you can also click on the redeem gift cards section on the top. And again, you can use the card in the multiple retailers and brands here in Lifestyle. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.